right, I forgot to tell you the story. So let's get all these Dogman books prepared while I tell you about what happened to them. Almost 3 weeks ago, my counselor came in and handed me this book. It was broken. It came from one of my students, and she said, hey, I just got this back from this kid, and there's no labels on it, but it has a book fairy sticker inside of it, and he said that you gave it to him. And I said, oh, what? No, that's a library book. It must have just been a mistake. So we got the book back. I talked to the kid about it. We agreed that it was absolutely a mistake and that the damage was accidental. We're very young after all, things happen. And that was sort of the end of that, I thought, until the next week when 2 more Dogman books showed up, both with no barcode labels on them. They don't have book fairy stickers on them this time, but we were able to pretty quickly identify that, yeah, these are in fact library books. Same kid. Same story. So we have another conversation about it and about how important it is that we check books out of the library. This one honestly seems to be in fairly decent condition aside from the fact that it needs new labels. This one, same thing. 2 of the same book even. I truly think that the situation is taken care of, okay? I do. Just gonna go ahead and set that to 3 minutes because it's gonna need it. And we'll just drop this first one in there. So in my heart, I feel like the situation's gotta be handled, right? We had 1 book that was checked out to us, 2 others that were not checked out to us. It has to have been an accident. The labels being ripped off is a little crazy, but there was a book fairy sticker inside still, so we could still identify it. Maybe it was an accident. Maybe they were peeling. Maybe he just meant to peel at them a little bit. Until we got 3 more library books back, 2 of which are here and 1 of which does still have the labels on it because it was our most recent checkout. But these ones, no barcode labels. We did try to rip off the graphic novel sticker, but it didn't come off all the way. And these 2 both had a book fairy sticker inside, which apparently peel off much easier than I thought that they did because those got peeled off too. And those are how the books got identified to begin with, still having a book fairy sticker. So now I'm thinking, oh, we've got a bit of a situation here. I've been putting new labels on the books, but this one is probably done. This one, let's look and see. Ooh, ooey gooey and gluey, just like we wanted. Okay, so we're gonna close you up. Let you pull back here too. This has been back here cooling. All 4 of these have been relabeled and redone and ready to go again. Now I just need to print labels for this one too because I absolutely forgot to do that part when I was doing everything else, and put some tape on it, and then we're all done. So now you know what happened to these books. I usually don't charge fines for anything. I don't. Technically, all of these books were returned. What would you do in this case? I am curious, like what people that are not me would do. Because I'm going at this with the librarian brain of the librarian that loves these children very much. So I'm always curious, if you were their librarian, how would you handle this situation? And nothing extreme, because it's a little kid. It's a little kid at the end of the day. At the end of the day, it's a very small child. And I don't want to ever forget that. And that did not stick the way that I wanted it to. So we're going to have to close it and try it from the other side. Oh, that did not stick at all. What on earth? Things have gone incredibly wrong, and I've never had this happen before. So we're getting out the other tape that is slightly more heavy duty because that's not cooperating with me and I'm mad about it. I'm gonna slide you under and we'll just try this again. Aha, there we go. I know you're looking at that going, I'm sorry, what did you just do? I actually don't care what the inside of Dogman books look like. And I know that sounds crazy. I have no care in the world for what these look like on the inside. I do care that they stay together. So if that means lots and lots and lots of tape, you know what? That means lots and lots and lots of tape, because that doesn't have labels yet. I'm gonna do that later. But these are fixed and ready to go, and hopefully the situation never happens again.